Imagine walking through breathtaking landscapes, vibrant streets, and serene natural wonders, all without leaving your home. With just your smartphone or computer and an internet connection, you can explore the world's most beautiful destinations in stunning 4K. All the walking tour video links for these magical places are in the description box below. So, get ready to experience the world like never before. Let's begin. 1. Venice, Italy, city of canals and timeless romance. Venice, Italy, is a floating city built on over 100 islands, famous for its romantic canals and historic charm. It's known for its gondola rides, centuries-old bridges like the Rialto Bridge, and bustling marketplaces. This walking tour captures the magic of Venice, showcasing its serene waterways, vibrant streets, and cultural richness. 2. Arashiyama Bamboo Forest, Kyoto, Japan, a natural wonderland. Located in Kyoto, Japan, the Arashiyama Bamboo Forest is a serene and magical destination. This natural wonder is a lush bamboo grove where towering stalks sway gently in the breeze, creating a tranquil and almost otherworldly experience. It's a must-see for nature lovers seeking peace and beauty. 3. Santorini, Greece island bliss and iconic sunsets. Famous for its whitewashed buildings and blue-domed churches, Santorini is a volcanic island in the Aegean Sea. Known for its breathtaking sunsets and stunning views of the caldera, it's one of the most picturesque islands in the world. This walking tour showcases Santorini's cliffside villages and cobblestone streets. 4. New York City, USA, bustling urban jungle. New York City is a vibrant metropolis known for its iconic landmarks, diverse culture, and never-ending energy. From the peaceful greenery of Central Park to the dazzling lights of Times Square, this city has something for everyone. The walking tour captures the perfect mix of urban excitement and tranquil escapes. 5. Dubai, UAE, futuristic oasis in the desert. Dubai, located in the United Arab Emirates, is a city of luxury and innovation built in the middle of the desert. It's known for its iconic skyscrapers like the Burj Khalifa. The man-made Palm Jumeirah Islands, and world-class shopping destinations. This walking tour captures the perfect blend of futuristic design and Middle Eastern charm. 6. Paris, France, a romantic city steeped in history. Known as the City of Love, Paris, France, is a timeless destination filled with art, history, and culture. It's famous for the Eiffel Tower, charming streets along the Seine River, and vibrant café culture. The walking tour showcases the iconic landmarks and the soul of Parisian life. 7. Bali, Indonesia, a tropical paradise. Bali is an island in Indonesia known for its lush rice terraces, serene beaches, and ancient temples. It's a tropical paradise perfect for those seeking relaxation and spiritual retreats. The walking tour takes you through Bali's picturesque landscapes and cultural gems. 8. Istanbul, Turkey, a crossroads of East and West. Istanbul, Turkey, is a vibrant city where Europe meets Asia, known for its rich history, bustling bazaars, and stunning architecture. It's a cultural melting pot. This walking tour highlights the Hagia Sophia, Grand Bazaar, and the breathtaking views of the Bosphorus Strait. Nine. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, vibrant beaches and iconic mountains. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, is a city known for its lively culture, stunning beaches, and breathtaking mountain views. This walking tour takes you to the world-famous Copacabana Beach, the colorful streets, and the iconic Christ, the Redeemer statue overlooking the city. Interlaken, Switzerland, a serene alpine retreat. Interlaken is a charming town in Switzerland, nestled between two lakes and surrounded by the Swiss Alps. It's a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering everything from peaceful valleys to cascading waterfalls. This walking tour captures the breathtaking scenery of snow-capped mountains and tranquil meadows. From tranquil forests to vibrant cities, these 4K walking tours prove that the world is full of breathtaking beauty just waiting to be explored virtually or in person. Remember, all the walking tour video links are right in the description box below, so don't forget to check them out. Which destination stole your heart? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this virtual adventure, please like, share, and subscribe for more. See you next time.